Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we want to discuss the best order block indicator for MT4 and MT5. Now, just head on to the description and you're going to find the link to download the indicator. Whether it's for the MT4 version or the MT5 version, you're going to find the link down there in the description. When you head onto the web page, you'll see both the MT4 and MT5 links there, okay, in the same web page. Now, you head on to your indicators folder, of course, file, open data folder, you navigate to MQ4 or MQ5, depending on the platform you're using. Head on to the indicators, you paste the indicator file there, you head back to your navigator and you refresh. After doing that, you just look for the order block indicator. All right, this is the order block indicator. Okay, order block indicator, just drag and drop. Since we're having a little bit of a challenge there, I'm just going to show you. This here. All right. So yeah, like I said, the link to this web page is in the description. So if you are an SMC trader, of course, you should be familiar with order blocks. All right. When the indicator identifies an order block for you, all you have to do is to set your limit orders. If it's a bearish order block, you can set a sell limit around the order block, or rather at the tip of the order block. Okay, if the order block prevails, if it holds, you will notice that price will get there, tap into the order block and go in your direction. Of course, your target is usually at the ending of the swing low, right, the tip of the swing low, before the price went to tap into that order block. This is for a bearish move. All right, the bullish move is just the reverse. Okay, so after the order block forms, price gets down and starts going back up, your limit can already be set at the tip of the order block and take profits will be around here, right? And then you ensure that you use proper lot sizing. It's important that you manage your risk well, so that when you are right, you make good money, and when you are wrong, you lose a little. Okay, so order block trading is quite interesting. You can try it out, and who knows if you will start using it as your new strategy. Okay, so this is a very straightforward strategy. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on more valuable content. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.